like stuff we don't like. I'm doing a half a spoonful of peanut butter, even more than that.
And I'm doing a half spoonful of relish.
Yeah, we
I
both.
love peanut butter though.
Yeah, I really do.
I don't think she loves relish though, so let's just get rid of this.
Come on.
Daddy, is relish good?
Yeah, depending on the right stuff.
Okay.
Once again, like this goes good with bread. You squirted. You.
It's not that bad.
Bad. Hey, you gotta stay at the camera. No, don't do it. Don't do it. And it's spelled out. I win.
No, I'm not out.
No, but you getting a towel.
To clean that up?
Mm-mm. Tastes so sour. I don't know how peanut butter can taste. It tastes so horrible.
Let's eat as many spoonfuls as we can.
No, technically I can't. Look at that. How am I supposed to get any more peanut butter out of that?
How am I supposed to get any more relish? It comes back to get you.
I'm backing up just in case she throws up. Sorry.
That's way too much. That sounds like okay.
You gotta eat it. You volunteered for them. More than once. Bleh.
No.
See, no more peanut butter.
Please.
This is.
How does it so do even if we get another jar of peanut butter?
I'm sorry, but it's all out. See?
Then you have a spoonful of relish too.
No. Best friend of mine.
It's not that bad.
You think it comes up to get you. You make it. Oh.
I'm not enjoying this, but
I know, but is this a kind of
I'm here to.
That's a spoonful, right?
Fine. I'm here to win the challenge.
Yeah, because I'm out of peanut butter.
I win. I had 2 spoons.
I had. I am backing up. Wait.
It's just like it's like not spicy but spicy.
Bye.
No, we're not done yet.
Alright. No talk. Crap.
That's so.
Can I quit this out now?
Yes, but you lose.
Bye.
Rainbow unicorn. And this little thing. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Bye.